Good students, today we will study about differentiate and derivative. Differentiate, during the differentiation which result is found, that is called a derivative. Here today we will study about some formula. Before it, I have taught you some special formula in serial number 2, serial number 3, serial number 4, serial number 5, serial number 6. Okay then? Today we will study some formula in serial number 7. Okay student, which is thus. Case 17. Case 17, d upon dx sec inverse x. Sec inverse x. This value is found x root x square minus 1. In the case of d upon dx sec inverse x, before its d upon dx sec x is equal to sec x tan x. But here value is sec inverse, then we get 1 upon x root x square minus 1 during calculation. Okay student? d upon dx is equal to sec inverse x is equal to 1 upon x root x square minus 1. On this basis, I give you an example. If y is equal to 3 sin x plus sec inverse 2x, then find dy by dx. Okay student? For this solution, y is equal to 3 sin x sec inverse 2x. Differentiating with respect to x, both sides, then we get dy by dx is equal to 3 is the non-variable, but sin x is a variable. Here we can write d upon dx sin x plus d upon dx sec inverse 2x. Okay student? Here we get sin x d upon dx sin x cos x plus d upon dx of x dx upon dx is equal to 1. Here dx upon dx is equal to 1. sin x, d upon dx sin x cos x, and after dx upon dx is equal to 1. Here d upon dx sin inverse 2x, we get 1 upon 2x root 2x whole square minus 1. After this differentiating 2x, d upon dx 2x. Okay, student? Here 3 cos x plus d, 2 is non-variable, then write here 2 dx by dx. 2 dx 2 upon dx is equal to 2 to 1. d upon dx is equal to 1. Here we get 2 upon 2x root 4x square minus 1. Okay, student? Here 2 cancel 2. We get dy by dx is equal to 3 cos x plus 1 upon x root 4x square minus 1, which is answer. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve this. Okay, student, which is answer. After this, case 16. Case 16, case 18. d upon dx cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon x under root x square minus 1, which is formula. But before it, d upon dx cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. But here cosec inverse, here is not cosec inverse. Okay, student? On this basis, I give you an example. Example, if y is equal to 4 cos x, 4 cos x plus 3 by 2 cosec inverse 2x. Then find the value of dy by dx. Okay, student? For this solution, differentiating both sides, differentiating with respect to x both sides, then we get dy by dx is equal to 4 is non-variable, then write this form d upon dx cos x plus 3 by 2 d upon dx, which is non-variable, cosec inverse 2x. Okay, student, on this basis dy by dx is equal to 4 d upon dx, d upon dx cos x minus sin x, and x dx upon dx is equal to 1. Plus 3 upon 2 d upon dx cosec inverse 2x is equal to minus 1 upon 2x root 2x square minus 1, and after this d upon dx 2x. Here 2 is the non-variable, then we can write here 2 d upon dx dx upon dx is equal to 1. Okay, student, then we write here dy by dx is equal to minus 4 sin x minus 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 2 to the 4x. Here 4x square minus 1. Okay, student, here 2 cancel in one time, 2 to the 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, then we get here minus 4 sin x minus 3 by 2 x root 4x square minus 1. Here 2 2 ja 4. Thus dy by dx is equal to minus 4 sin x minus 3 by 2 upon 4x square minus 1, which is answer. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. And I give you an example, d upon dx log e to the power 2. Here this differentiating derivative is 1 by 2 and d upon dx of 2. Okay, then thus 2 is the constant, then this differentiating coefficient of 2 is equal to here 0 is equal to 1 by 2 into 0, because 2 is the constant. During the differentiating of any constant, you get the value is 0. Therefore, this value is 0. d upon dx log e to the power 2 is equal to 0, which is very important question. Okay student, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay student, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.